In this video, I'll show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called finding slope given 2 points on a line. This problem, as it says in the title, is going to give us 2 points on a line, and it wants us to calculate the slope of the line as it passes through those 2 points. So first thing I want to remind you is that when we're looking at points on a line, the first number is referring to its position along the x-axis, and the second number is referring to its position along the y-axis. So we're going to make a note of that because that's going to be helpful. The slope of the line is calculated by taking what we refer to as the rise of the line and dividing it by the run of the line. And the rise is referring to the line's change along as it goes along the y-axis, its change in the up and down direction. And the run is referring to the change along the x-axis. So to calculate the slope of a line from points on the line, what we're going to do is calculate the change between the 2 points along the y-axis, and we're also going to calculate the change between the 2 points along the x-axis. So we're going to do that by just taking the difference or subtracting these two y coordinates and also the 2 x coordinates. We're going to pick either one of those y numbers, like let's just pick this one first, that's a -3, and we're going to, from that, we're going to subtract the other y value. We're going to take the first y value, and from it we're going to subtract the second y value. The first y value is -3, and from that we're subtracting a 4. I don't know why I made that line so long. And then we're going to do the same thing for the x-axis. We're going to take the same, we've got to start with the same spot. So since we started with -3 when we were calculating the rise, we need to start with the same corresponding x coordinate, that's a -8, and from that we're going to subtract the second x coordinate. So we're starting with -8 and we're subtracting the second x coordinate, which is a -3. So now we just have to do the math. -3 minus 4 is a -7. -8 minus -3 is the same thing as -8 plus 3. Let's keep simplifying this. -7 over -8 plus 3 is a -5. And negative over negative works out to be a +7/5. That is the slope of this line.